Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CBS 1 exam. Question number 91, 92 and 93 has a common statement, and the statement is: consider the following for the next three items that follow. Consider two identical semicircles and one circle inscribed in a rectangle of length 10 centimeter as shown in the figure given below. Take pi is equal to 3.14, root 2 is equal to 1.3. So here first question is question number 91. What is the area of triangle EOF? So triangle EOF is EFA or EOF. Option A 12.5 root 3 square centimeter. Option B 6.25 root 3 square centimeter. Option C 12.5 square centimeter and option D 6.25 square centimeter. And question number 93 is what is the area of trapezium AEFB? AEFB. Option A 30 square centimeter. Option B 25 square centimeter. Option C 20 square centimeter and option D 18.5 square centimeter. Okay. Next is what is the area of shaded region? So this is your shaded region. Option A 14.75 square centimeter. Option B 14.25 square centimeter. Option C 7.225 square centimeter and option D 7.625 square centimeter. So first question is what is the area of triangle EOF? So this is triangle EOF. So as the length of rectangle is given as 10 centimeter, so this length is 10 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn and OE is the radius of the semicircle. So radius of semicircle is length of rectangle by 2, that is 5. So OE is your 5 and OF is also your 5. Okay. So now OE is your 5 and this is also your 5, and this angle has to be 90 because this is your circle and this is the diameter of circle, and the angle subtended on the half of the circle by two lines is your 90 degree. So this is your 90 degree. So one of them can be base and another can be perpendicular. So area will be your OF into OE by 2. So that is 5 into 5 by 2, 12.5 centimeters. The main concept here is that angle is 90 degree because this is your circle and this is the diameter, or this is the, and so this angle has to be 90 because this angle is 180. Okay, so if we know this angle is 90, then one of them will be base, another will be a perpendicular, and area will be at 5 into 5 by 2. So next is what is the area of trapezium AEFB? So now this is your 5 and this angle is 90 degree and this is bisecting it. So this angle will be at 45 and this is 5 and this is 90. So from this we can find out EG. So EG will be 5 cos 45 or 5 by root 2, and EF will be a 2 into EG, that is 5 root 2 centimeter. Or other way we can find out like this: 5 square plus 5 square root will be equal to this because this angle is going to be, that is 5 root 2, that dimension is 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay, now AB is length of rectangle, that is 10 centimeter, and this this from the figure we can see that this is the radius of the circle, and radius of the circle is same as this because this angle is 45 and this is also the radius of the circle, this is also the radius of the circle. So EG will be equal to height also, height of trapezium also. So this is H. Okay. So perpendicular distance or height is your radius of circle, that is 5 root 2. So area of trapezium is sum of parallel sides. AB is 10, EF is 5 root 2 divided by 2 and multiplied by perpendicular distance that is 5 root 2. So now solving this, multiplying this 5 root 2 and keeping this 1 by 2 outside, so this will be 50 by root 2 and this is 25. 50 by root 2 can be written as 35. So this will come out as 30 centimeters square. Now question number 93 is, what is the area of this shaded region? So if we find out the area below EF of the shaded part and multiply it by 2, then we will able to calculate area of the shaded region. So we'll find out this area. So this is your O and this is angle 90. So area of the shaded portion will be area under this arc minus area of triangle, and area of triangle we have calculated, that is that we have calculated, that is 12.5. So this is the center of semicircle and this angle is 90. So for this portion the area will be your 90 by 360 into pi r square. R is radius of semicircle, that is 5. Okay, and area of this triangle we have calculated in the first part, that is 12.5. So area of this shaded portion is, area of this particular shaded portion is 90 by 360 into pi r square. R is 5 and minus 12.5. So it will come out as 7.125. Now we have to calculate this area and this area. So it is multiplied by 2. So that will be 14.25 centimeters square. So that is the answer. So that is option B, and here area of trapezium is 30, option A, and area of rectangle triangle is 12.5, option C.